Every year in late April, the apple harvest for our cider begins. At first light, the orchard hands prepare the harvesting equipment. Everything must be double-checked and then carefully loaded onto the tractors. Once loaded up, they head into the orchard where the harvest begins. We've discovered that the correct music for picking is essential. All precautions are taken when it comes to safety. Accidents are very rare. The harvesting process affects the whole region, so picking is limited to certain times. Batlow locals are updated on picking times weekly. The harvest team then begins to work its way through the orchard. Each lane is designed to ensure vibration is evenly dispersed across the trees. The catching apparatus is designed to make sure all apples are kept in top-notch condition. Through years of experience, the harvest music consistently yields the right apples for the perfect cider balance. Unsuitable specimens do not react, they just stay on the tree. Our saplings are introduced to music at an early stage, and as the trees mature, we expose them to more robust genres. We find this increases yield in future harvests. Once musically selected, the apples are gathered together before being transported to our crushing house, where finally they are turned into our handcrafted Batlow Premium Cider.